What's going on, guys? Oh, man. So we back here with the Jenny. You see it, man. We just came from Parts Geek. I mean, not Parts Geek. Just came from Pick Apart. Got a few things for the Jenny for cheap, you know. Got a bumper, front bash bar. Got a little plastic piece that goes on the side of the door that goes inside the car. And then got 2 side mirrors. I don't even know. I think one of my mirrors is broken, but yeah, got those just in case. So yeah, you know, we're gonna get it right. See the bumper back there. There we go with the bumper. Just got this. As you can see, I just cut this this piece clean off because I had a crack in it. So I decided not to keep that part, whatever. I originally was going to cut this whole gray piece off, you know, and just leave it like that. And that would probably be a great look, but I decided to, because I wouldn't have this, I wouldn't have a place to put my license plate, or I would put it up here, but then I wouldn't have any lights for my license plate. So I decided to just cut that little piece off right there, and then boom. And yeah, so I'm gonna start taking this old bumper off and replace it with the new. What's good, y'all? I'm sitting here with the this is my brother's old motor that he blew up, and that is my old motor that I blew up from my old Genesis. But the Genesis I got on the car, I mean, the fuck, what am I saying? The oil pan that's on the motor in the car is dented up, so I'm gonna take the oil pan off of this one. I'm gonna jack it up with the lift, but I'm gonna take the oil pan off of this one and replace it with the old joint. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I'll go ahead and set y'all down and y'all can just see me through the process. Yeah. All right, so I got this jacked up with the lift. Oil pans right here. It's just some 10 mil. Yeah, it's just some 10 millimeter bolts holding that up. And then I got the prior to pry that off. Then when it comes off, it's got this glue on it that you'll have to scrape off. So I'm gonna just get the can and check to see if there's oil in there. So I'm gonna take that bolt loose right there and drain it, see if there's any oil in there, and then I'll get started at taking it off. So I got the oil pan off. Only thing left to do is just take this one off. See how dented that shit is? I mean, I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, that joint's dented in. But yeah, got that one off. Just gotta put this this sucker back down. Yeah, there was still some oil left in there that spilled out, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and drop this back down, clean up. I might just leave this here. Got my seeds. Yep. Oh man, it's starting to get dark now. But I'm working on taking this oil pan off the car motor. My phone's dying. That's what I'm recording off of. But I'll start recording again when I'm done taking this off and when I'm putting the other one on. I might put the other one on tomorrow. I don't know. It's getting dark, so I'll keep y'all posted, man. Out. Alright. So I got the pan off. I can't see where the fuck. That's the new pan that's finna go on. I'm gonna have to clean up. And that's the old pan. Yeah, that joint was dented, my boy. Big old boulder in the middle of the road. Remember that shit like it's yesterday. But yeah, man, I'm just go ahead and throw this over here with all the other broken parts. Jenny gonna make a comeback, y'all. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Was it yesterday? I think yesterday I finished up the bumper on this side. This side's gonna need some work. As you can see, it's like not exactly lined up. This side's pretty good. But yeah, man, got the bumper on. Tail lights still look good. Trunk still looks sheesh. And then you got this shit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna catch y'all probably tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up. Tomorrow I'll put the new oil pan on. And yeah. What's good, y'all? It's the next day, man. You know, just got off of work. And it gets dark pretty fucking quick, so I'm gonna try to get this going. That's why I start on it as soon as I get home. But I got this gasket maker right here, man. I'm gonna just apply this all around here. It says about 1/16 to 1/4 thick and around all the holes. And then after you got it all the way around, tighten the bolts, and then let it, as soon as it starts squeezing out the side, let it sit for about an hour and then tighten it all the way down, man. So I'm gonna get going with that. Yes, sir. And y'all can watch the process. Let's get it. All right, man. So, got the oil pan up. Just gotta let it sit for about 45 an hour. Might do 45. I'm a little bit impatient. I'm a little bit impatient. My fucking work. Oh yeah, bro. It may look like I'm wearing the same clothes, you know what I'm saying, 3 days in a row. Bruh, I wash my stuff. You feel me? I wash my stuff. Plus, I'm a working man that does construction, so you're gonna get that sometimes. Plus, it's cold as a mug out here, so I got double the hoodie. But yeah, man, we're gonna sit here, wait for that to cure, and I'm gonna get back at y'all. All right, man, so I'm back out here. It's now freaking dark, but I'm just tying up these bolts fully. It's not, the sealant, the gasket isn't fully, you know, hardened yet, but I'm gonna just send it. It's not gonna be that bad. But yeah, man. Hey, man, I guess that's it for this video. I appreciate everybody for watching. Please subscribe, like, whatever, all that shit. I know that's my first video. I figured it was a good time to start doing this video and stuff, in the process of rebuilding the Genesis. So yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Appreciate everybody for watching. Out.